you.
Hey guys, today we're doing the Cheddar Jalapeño Cheetos taste test. We will also have Flaming Hot Cheetos. They're pretty good too, but these are the bomb. I've actually never had them before. This is gonna be my first time. My friends always tell me it's the best, so let's jump into it and taste this bad boy. Here's the Flamin' Hot, the Cheddar Jalapeño. We're gonna be doing a taste test. Let's jump into it. Alright, so I'm sorry for not making videos. It's been my 4th week of school, so I will actually be doing videos every Saturday and Sunday. But first off is Cheeto number 1. It is the Flaming Hot Cheeto. 3, 2, 1. These are good. Yeah. Pretty good. They're pretty spicy. Oh my god.
I don't know what he's talking about.
So much of those.
Alright, so I'm still eating them. I don't know what he's doing.
I got water. I'm still gonna take another bite. I mean, they start off like really good. They're really not bad at all. Their taste is very good if you like spicy stuff. Like they're not super bad, but they are like whew. Alright, go buy these and like comment down below how you feel about them. Like, ugh.
They're fine.
Now they're starting to get to me.
Boy! I don't know what this guy, like, boy.
It's not that bad. I still haven't adjusted to life yet. Just woke up a while ago. He had a soccer game.
Yeah. I tied my game 2-2.
Some of them have a bigger kick to them than the others.
No. Some of them do, because they have more, like, spice.
Yeah. Next up we have,
Still eating.
Jalapeno.
Still eating. Charlie, have I drink one sip? Alright.
Matthew, come here. So, Matthew is really going to tell you if this is spicy.
No.
Come on, Matthew. There's water right there.
I'm just gonna take a one little bite.
No, put it in there.
No.
Do it for YouTube.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I'll have it. I'll have it. Thank you.
Yeah. Cheddar jalapeno. See, Matthew agrees with me. It's pretty spicy.
No, it's not.
It's good, but then it gets like a really bad kick to it.
Still eating, not one sip.
Oh, smell it. It smells good. I like the jalapenos.
I hate jalapenos.
Oh, yes. So let's see how this one tastes. Dad just took a bite of it and said they're not spicy, but they have a good taste to it.
They're not spicy.
All right, let's get one for Matthew. Here you go. Come on, set. Come on, set. So let's take a bite.
It's kind of spicy.
Yeah.
need more flaming hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really good. That's pretty good. Yeah, I know, right? Like, your first bite is like, what is this? But it's like, pretty good, yeah. Alright. Yeah, so this has been the taste test with Daniel and Matthew. Comment which one you think is better if you tried them. Like and be sure to subscribe. CWB Films OUT out.